Hey everyone, it's me, BDB, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and have a freaking great December. As you can see, there are two parcels here, two beautiful parcels from Ami. This is being recorded on the 22nd, yes, 22nd will be our Christmas Day. So today is Christmas Day, so happy Christmas, happy holidays, whatever you're celebrating. I hope you're having a great time. Happy normal Sunday as well to anyone not celebrating anything. Also, happy birthday to anyone whose birthday unfortunately falls on Christmas Day. But anyway, thankfully, I got two parcels here before Christmas because I was a parcel boy all freaking year. Except for, obviously, I wasn't, because one of these parcels got sent back. Because Parcel Force went, it's got the wrong address on it. How does Parcel Force know where I live? I could have moved house. It could be temporary arrangement. Either way, they sent it back and everything, and I had to pay even more money to get it back over from Japan. And if you know getting anything off Amazon through DHL, you know it costs money, and it's Christmas. You know, I don't have that money. Not after buying presents. But got them both here today, and we're gonna unbox them right now. So it doesn't seem like we're gonna be in a Christmas card version, unfortunately. And the Halloween one, but still beautiful. Beautiful. Don't know if I already got this one. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Cause the scissors. Cause the scissors her face. Right, anyway. Ooh. Products inside. Let's open up this, shall we? Oh. Oh, right. This is Call of the Night sticker Nazuna Nanakusa. Let's enjoy the night. 727. I love Nanakusa. Nazuna. It is very cool. As the first one, I wonder what the hell that was for a second. So we got the sticker. And the sticker costs like £5. Oh yes, I remember what's in here now. I love that. Oh, I can't wait. I need to get a nail for this. Let's not scratch anything. I thought it was sellotape. It was not. Oh my god. Should go well with my toka from Day Live. It's up there, hanging up. Oh my god. This board. This parcel got sent out in October. And I was actually thinking it would get here in January. I didn't think it would get here in 2 months, but oh man, that's nice. So I'm gonna hang it up, just throw a nail somewhere or a hook on one of the walls. Just leave it hang, man. Oh, very nice. He is a cutie. So I started getting into Kimono Jihen. Really enjoyed the anime, started collecting the manga, rewatched the anime, and anything I usually buy is pre-order. This wasn't, this was still there, they weren't sold out of it. Very lucky, and I bought Best Girl of the series. You may be saying another name, but I went for the Fiery Fox Girl. Kon! It's Kon, man! Straight up, that's a beautiful box. This is a gorgeous box. That is very nice. She may already be my favorite figure because I don't think I gotta put anything together. There's nothing else. No, I don't have to put anything together. Oh my god. Holy. Oh man, the pictures on Ami did not do this justice at all. Make sure it's a bit loose. Ah, her head. Her head can come off. That Kon Figure, when I bought it, I was going, oh god, what have I done? Because I never cancel anything anymore from Ami because if you cancel too much, they will close in your account. I will usually ignore orders when they ask for payment. I'll just ignore it, and then they just go, alright, well, whatever. I was wondering, because I had this bundled with other stuff, and I was going, it's not gonna be that great, is it? Them photos, like I said, did not do this figure justice. It is freaking beautiful, man. I'm so glad I got it. Next box, baby. Ah! Yay! This is Christmas one, yep. Look at it. Ah, they are beautiful. Oh, they're so cute. I love it. Yep. I saw my friend the other day and he said, yeah, I forget you like your cute stuff. I'm like, yes, I'm a 28, almost 29-year-old man that loves his adorable cute stuff. So, kicking off with, oh yes! I'm going to start with these three first. So, what I'm going to show you first is that these three are from, well, the best anime of 2022, Miss Shiachiki and the Little Baby Ghost. You're right. You're damn right. These are awesome. So, as you can see, we have Lily, Kurahasha, Yuri, Miyako, and Miss Shiachiki. So, right. These two came together, right? But Miyako came by herself, but also in her cat version, as you can see right there, right? And I went, there's no point in having Miyako by herself and herself with the cat version, so I decided to put these together. Now, each one, I guess for design purposes, comes with these, which I'm guessing you can put into the front. You see the little circle, probably put them in the front or put them in the back. And I just went, I can't be bothered. Don't add anything to it. This, however, is perfect the way it is. And we have the little Miss Shiachiki logo right there in the middle. They're one big happy apartment family. But yeah, no, legitimately, I actually think Miss Shiachiki and the Little Baby Ghost is the best anime of 2022 because it was just so cute and adorable. Everything is so, yeah. Number one. Next, we've got a t-shirt. It's extra large. And as always, it's from Kappa. On TikTok, where you go like this, and then seemingly, whoa! Whew! It worked! Damn! But yes, this is the Rising of the Shield Hero t-shirt that also glows in the dark. Don't think we're gonna get anything amazing for the Rising of the Shield Hero t-shirts. This one glowed in the dark, the other one didn't. I like to glow in the dark, why not? Billy, love you. Thank you for everything you did for Rising of the Shield Hero. You are missed terribly. Unbox from this, the acrylics, t-shirt. Now there's another box in here. Now I don't mean A figure box? I mean a cardboard box. Oh, right! Holy crap! Was that it? Yes, that's why they are more because of the 3 acrylics. They weren't bought as one. Each one was bought separately. Oh my god, I forgot about her. I don't know what this says. If any Japanese person, for some reason, is watching this, translate it for me. Or if you know Japanese yourself, translate it for me. If you can, please, thank you. I am trying to learn as well, so let's one figure. Unless the figure's separate. We're gonna find out. So, this is Cthulhu. It is Cthulhu figure. Exactly. An absent-minded master of Relay. But the rest of it is in Japanese, so I can't read it. But yes, this was the little cutie Cthulhu. Right, so that must be the base. So it is separate. I was like, did I just get 2 figures? Wow, now. For opening, we have Cthulhu. We have a little Cthulhu thing over here. Plushies. And she's got a few faces over here, so we can change them up as well. Which, if I'm being honest, I rarely do. Instructions if we need it. Oh my god! You got an acrylic as well. Oh my god, how adorable! Ah! Oh yeah, dude, that's so cool. So cute, so kawaii. Cute, not scary. Oh my god, what? Got a Cthulhu badge as well. Dude. That is super freaking cool. Again, I'm going to try and see if we can just get a focus on that. There she is. Adorable. Look at her. Look at me. Look at me, mortal! Alright, so these are all flat backed, right? They're all flat on the back. So I'm wondering when I take out the next part, will these be going on it? I believe this is the base. But it is the base. I don't even know what this is. It's like a rubbery thing. I'm guessing maybe a sticker-like thing. You can stick it on somewhere, possibly. Whoa. Oh my god, be careful with this. Wow. So, we've got the stand. And now we need the store. That's cool. There we go. Got her to sit properly. She was a bit crooked earlier. Yeah. Now you see there's just one thing I forgot to do. It's got a very cool light up moon. Takes 3 AA batteries. To be fair, still pretty cool, but what you need for definite would be lights at the front. Even if it costs another battery. So, that is it for the unboxing. These, oh man, I couldn't believe it that when both these were out at the same time from 2 different postal services, one DHL, one on Post, I was like, are both of them actually going to get here today? That would be amazing. Like, I expected one today and one tomorrow, but both of them on the same day. Like, it's pretty damn cool, man. And, of course, if any of these are still available, I will leave the links down below. And you can click away and buy them for yourself. Or for a significant other, whichever it may be. Of course, can't forget to show you the last other piece of merchandise. The Rising of the Shield Hero t-shirt, which I know a lot of people don't like. Like, Season 1. Good. It really was. Like, the manga and light novels are better. Season 1, though, pretty damn good. Season 2, it isn't because of Billy. It's literally because they rushed right through it. For some unknown reason. But anyway, let's end on a high note. It is Christmas Day this coming out. Let me know, what did you get for Christmas? What did you get yourself for Christmas? What did you get yourself for today that is just a normal 25th of the Sunday of December? What did you get for your birthday? Let me know down in the comments. Anything anime related, game related, not even related to any of them. Alright? But, you know, thank you for supporting me, supporting this channel that has been dead, alive, and I think right now this is the longest it's been alive, and I want to keep it going. And hopefully I'll be able to pour out more content. I'm now rewatching the Pokemon series, all 1,000 episodes. I'm going to make videos on certain things about the journeys, the different series of Pokemon. And, you know, yeah, I just want more content for you guys, you know. I don't get paid for this, obviously I don't have 1,000 subscribers. But 161 is awesome. Can't believe it. So next year, let's aim higher. Anyway, that's it from me, BGB. I will see ye later.